In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment in Klaviyo. A segment is a dynamic group of people who meet certain criteria you define. Unlike a static list, a segment constantly updates as subscribers' behaviors or permissions change. This makes segments perfect for targeted campaigns and automated flows. Start by heading to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, look for the audience section in the main navigation. Open that, then go into Lists and Segments. This is where all of your contact groups live and where we'll build the new one. Next, click Create New and choose Create Segment. You'll land on the setup screen. Give your segment a clear descriptive name. A good naming convention might include the purpose and the channel, like engage shoppers email, so anyone on your team knows exactly what it is at a glance. If you use tags to organize assets, add those here too. Tags make it easier to filter and report on segments later. Now it's time to define who belongs in this segment. Click. Select a condition. Conditions are the rules Klaviyo uses to include or exclude people. For this example, we'll base the segment on marketing permissions, which is a reliable way to ensure you only message contacts who have proper consent. Choose the option that focuses on whether someone can or cannot receive marketing. This condition helps you align with compliance requirements and avoid sending to unsubscribed or unconsented profiles. Set it to can receive and then specify the channel. If this is for email campaigns, pick email marketing. If you're building a segment for SMS, choose text message marketing. And if you plan to target app users, select mobile push marketing. Choose the channel that matches how you intend to reach this audience. If you want to refine the audience further, you can add condition to layer more rules. For example, you might combine permission status with engagement or purchase behavior. Keep your conditions focused and relevant so the segment remains meaningful and easy to maintain. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Create Segment. Klaviyo will build it and begin evaluating profiles in your account against the rules you defined. Because segments are dynamic, they'll update automatically over time as people's consent status and activity change. That means your campaigns and flows will always target the right audience without manual updates. That's it. You've created a clean, compliant segment in Klaviyo, ready to use for precisely targeted messaging across the channels you selected.